I definitely think like my relationship with my tutor Rick, he was like super, super awesome. I definitely felt like Rick like not just was super knowledgeable, but also had a really great way of like explaining the concepts as well. I like the fact that it was like very like discussion based. It wasn't just like him talking the whole time, like I felt very comfortable kind of like asking like why. And then even when I still didn't understand, because there were some times where he would say, "Do you understand?" And I was like, "No." And then he would ask again, like, "Now do you get it?" And I was like, "Not really." But like, like I never stopped asking for help until it made sense to me. And so like on the third or fourth time, he was very patient with me. And then I was like, ah, now it makes sense. And so I think like that patience because is like super important. I really liked like a lot of like the course content. I like the fact that it wasn't just like, okay, let's, just like keep doing practice tests and see where you're getting wrong. Like you guys really went through the fundamentals, which I really liked. And then also just like the guarantees of like you basically are there to support us, even if, we're not performing as well as we'd like we'll get there eventually together. Which I thought was, definitely good because I think as like as a client, like I knew I was willing to put in the work. So I was like, okay, well, if I'm putting in the work, then I definitely want someone who's, just gonna like be there holistically for me. So and I definitely found that to be very helpful. Well, I took like three different diagnostics because I was like, okay. So I was like a 158 was like my best diagnostic, but I also got like a 155. So, somewhere in that range. And then I got all the way up to like a 171. It was nice to like not have to think about taking it again. But yeah, no, I'm definitely happy with my score for sure.